Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video for the UK for the next few days because it's looking very interesting because we could be getting some warmer weather as well for the majority of the country for especially for Saturday and Sunday. And the reason for this is I'm going to show you the GFS first, why we could be getting this warmer weather. So basically we've got high pressure towards the Scandinavia area and just all across the Mediterranean in Europe, and this is allowing the winds coming in from the southeast. And at the moment, there is some quite warm air across the Mediterranean in Europe, so we're going to be dragging that air in on Friday and Saturday. So from now, the temperatures are getting warmer and warmer each day. And the temperatures I'm going to show here, yeah, you have to remember that always underplay the temperatures by a couple of degrees, so you can add on maybe 1 or 2 degrees onto the figures they're showing. So obviously here we're getting the southerly winds, and then obviously as we get into Saturday, probably the peak of the of the warm weather, the high pressure is just pretty stable over the UK, and this is another effect here, cause when you get high pressure, over the UK, it kind of acts like as a oven, as an oven. There's no circulation really in the wind, so the temperature just builds up and builds up under the heat, and then day after day it just gets warmer and warmer and warmer. So if you get high pressure just over the UK in the summers, for days on end, the temperatures just only increase because there's no circulation in the wind, and then obviously the sun heats up the tarmac, and then that heats, and then that radiates up, and then it just heats up everything. So that's the reason why it's gonna be warm on Saturday. So if we look at the actual GFS model here for what it's showing, so Friday morning it's looking pretty cool, especially for the northeast coast, with the easterly winds coming in, because the sea surface temperatures are between 7 to 8 degrees. So if you're on the east coast in the morning, it could be quite chilly. But in southeast England, we could be getting temperatures between 10 to 12 degrees. So it's gonna be mild up, but still, them easterly winds are gonna make it feel a bit chilly on the eastern coast. And as we head into Tuesday in midday, the temperatures start to really increase, especially for the southern part of the UK. We could be getting temperatures in the 21 degrees, but that's underplaying the temperature. So adding about 1 or 2 degrees, we could be getting the temperatures to 22, 23 degrees. Is not possible. Is possible. Sorry. And for northeast England, we could be getting temperatures between 17 degrees, potentially 16 degrees. So definitely pretty pleasant. And if we look at the total cloud cover, it could be quite cloudy at first, but as the days goes on, it's not going to get as cloudy. So as the winds turn over southeasterly, it's going to break away the clouds, and especially on Saturday, when the high pressure is over the UK, it's going to kill off all the clouds, and then it's going to be a nice day on Saturday, especially really nice day across the whole of the country. As we go on towards the end of the day, yes, 22, 23 degrees potentially, and then it's going to cool down, and then at night it's going to be a lot warmer across the UK. We could be getting temperatures in the northeast England between 12 to 13 degrees, but then in that slight easterly wind, it could make it a slight bit cooler. But now the high pressure is starting to come more towards the UK, so it won't be as cool, but it'll still be quite we'll get a bit of light winds coming off the east, so it will be slightly cooler than what that's saying, but pretty mild to start the day. And then as we go into 9 o'clock and then into 3 o'clock, the temperatures in northeast England are getting between 20 degrees. Add on 2 degrees, we could be getting temperatures between 22 to 23 degrees in northeast England. And as for London area, we could be getting temperatures into 24, 25 degrees. Is not possible. I'm not ruling out 25 degrees. And it could even go higher than that. I'm not saying it's going to go higher than 25 degrees, but especially when the high pressure is just over the UK, just creating that oven type effect, I can't rule out anything higher, because it could go higher than 24, higher than 24 and 25, but I wouldn't say I wouldn't bet on it, but it's possible. So I would say the most likely outcomes between 22 to 24, 5 degrees for the London area. So really nice day across the whole of the UK. And if you look at the total cloud cover, it's not showing it as well here because it overestimates, and it looks like a bit of a disturbance here in the west. So it could be a bit cloudier in the west, but with the high pressure just over the UK, it looks like it's going to be a nice day for the majority of us. And if we look at the high clouds here, there's no high clouds at all. So like what that could be showing is just like lower clouds. So like to kind of get hazy kind of like weather. We could be seeing towards the end of the day. We could see hazy conditions with like with the lower clouds, but like they won't be thick or anything. Just like maybe like slight cumulus clouds, just like might block the sun out a couple of times, but it just looks like it's just going to be a nice day all around. And yeah, if you look at the convective clouds, it just looks basically nice, like all across the UK. Precipitation type, as I mentioned, with that slight disturbance, we could be seeing some light showers in like the western areas, but for the rest of the UK, it just looks really nice. And in them warm temperatures, and this is because this is like kinks here on the isobars. You see them kinks? That's like slight of disturbances and convective clouds here. So we could be seeing, as I've said, we could be seeing clouds and like bits of light rain across the western parts. But apart from that, nice day, as I've said lots of times. And then if we quickly look at Sunday at 12 o'clock, yeah, and another nice day. At 3 o'clock, we could see temperatures in 24-25 degrees again in London. Not as warm in northeast England, between 18 degrees, but add on a degree or two, between 20, but like not as warm as yesterday. If you look at the parallel run, so if we look on Saturday at 3 o'clock, yes, it's basically the same, but slightly cooler in the London area, so we could see temperatures there like 23, 24 degrees, but not 100%. So yeah, just still a nice day. Excuse me, guys, sorry about that. The convective, no, sorry. The convective clouds, so basically no clouds again, and as I said, this is like kink and isobars, yeah. So bits of cloud in the western areas, maybe light rain, but I wouldn't say there'd be much. Say like it's not showing it as much, but we could see some light showers coming off the west, and that's like disturbances, yeah, as you can see. Then if we quickly look at Sunday for the 2 meter temperatures, it looks like low pressure starting to come in, and we're starting to get more of sorry, sorry, I can't speak. Atlantic influence. So we could be seeing more rain in the west, and then if we look at 12 o'clock, it's making it a bit warmer for northeast England compared to what the actual GFS was showing at 3 o'clock. So we could see temperatures between 22, 23, and then for London area, we could see 24-25 degrees, but obviously the low pressure is coming in from the west, so it's going to turn like more unsettled and freshen. But yeah, it looks like the winds on like this run is coming like more from the south, so it's keeping like the southern areas like pretty warm under them like southeasterly winds. But then obviously as we're going into late Monday, then into Tuesday, it looks like it's going to turn like not as warm and like more settled. And what we have to watch out is when when the low pressure starts to hit into that like warmer air and that high pressure, that'll create maybe some instability in some cape. So if we look at the cape values here, as you can see, we've got a bit of cape here. Where was it again, guys? Sorry, I think I've just lost it. There, guys. So here we can see some cape here in like the southern parts of the country. So we could see some like thunderiness like with this as the low pressure collides with this. Quickly, we're going to look at the arpege run. This is what it's showing on Saturday. So if we go on Saturday here, like somebody's in French, so like that means obviously Saturday. As you can see, yeah, we're getting like temperatures at 3 o'clock in the London area between 24 degrees. It looks like 24 degrees, yeah. And then for the much of the northeastern areas, we could get temperatures between the 21s, 22s. The only cooler areas is kind of like the western parts of Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland, because of that slight disturbance in the cloud cover, so it's going to keep it relatively cool like under that cloud, and it's not going to feel as nice as like if you're in the southern parts of England or northeast England under them clear skies. But hopefully it won't be as wet as it's shown or as cloudy as it's shown for the western parts of the UK, but it looks like it might be the case. Let's look at the ensembles here for the 850 HPA temperature anomalies here. So it's staying pretty mild above average. So that's pretty certain until the 23rd, 24th. And then as we go on, it gets more certain. But it just looks like we're going to stay around average, guys. So nothing much to really talk about, really. So it just looks like we're going to stay pretty warm for the next 3 days, yeah. And then, like, as the low pressure comes in, we could be more unsettled with thunderstorms and more outbreaks of rain. But it looks like we're going to stay more above average. But like, there is some like cold on some of members. One of them's going from -9. So I wouldn't look at this, but look at this, a proper northerly wind here, like -9 isotherm. So that is not like winter like won't be over on this run, but I just wouldn't I wouldn't pay attention to that whatsoever. And as you can see here, the Mediterranean starting to warm up now for the summer. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you don't miss another upload. Sorry for the lack of sorry for the lack of uploads, guys. And yesterday and that I didn't feel the greatest in that, and I just haven't been uploading as much as I would like. But I'm gonna get back on the grind, and I will 100% upload daily again. And I really want to get back in that daily uploads again, because I really enjoy like making the daily videos. So from now you're gonna see some daily videos coming up. So don't know what exactly we're doing tomorrow, but it looks like we could get a cyclone going towards the Madagascar area, but that's at the end of the run, so we just have to wait and see on that. But I could do a video on that, because we could see a cyclone forming around that area. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I will 100% see you tomorrow.